Hello world and welcome. Today we will talk about a really important topic, data preprocessing. So if you're starting to build your model, the first thing is really to take care of your data, to preprocess everything fine, and afterwards you're going to do the feature engineering and then starting to build your model. My name is Harris and let's get started. So if you really like this content and the channel, please hit the subscribe button or leave a like, comment there. I'll be really happy about it. So if you can see here, we are starting to insert all the libraries that we need, and we're going to load the data. So I just took the breast cancer here, a pretty small example to just make it clear how you can preprocess and make your data even a little bit more cleaner to go ahead for the model. I was plotting and printing the first several rows, and then here we have diagnosis and some bunch of other features, and you can see the data is pretty fine so far, but you can see diagnosis I don't like because it's a text or a char or a string, let's say. So we are going to do a label encoder here. We have unnamed column here that we're going to remove, or we're going to replace the values actually, and I'm going to show you how you can do it today. First of all, I'm printing out all the data types that we're having here. Mostly we have float data types besides the object here from diagnosis. First of all, we are going to handle missing values. That's why I'm printing where we have missing values. We have here in this case only in the unnamed column missing values, as you can see here above, and that's why I'm going to use a simple imputer from sklearn to just remove this missing values with just one. I just put here strategy constant, so I fill everything with the value 1, but you can also use, if you have arbitrary values and only a few missing values, you can also use mean, for instance. So I have a pretty nice example here. I just replace everything with 1, and I inserted everything within the data set, and then you can see on the very right we have the unnamed new column 1, that is just 1 in this case. This is the first step that we have done so far. It's also helping a lot to improve the data set here. Then I can see that the target, the diagnosis, actually it's a string value. So we are going to get rid of this. That's we are going to use the label encoder. So we have a label encoder or one-hot encoding here, but in this case label encoder is pretty fine. I'm doing the label encoder and I print out the tail again, and you can see the M values are going to replace by 1 and the B values by the 0. That was the second step actually, which is also really helping. Afterwards we're going to use feature scaling or normalization. I used standard scaler to just put the values, as you can see here above. They're pretty messy. They're between 0 point something and 20, 30, 1000, 1200 and so on. This is not good for the model. Updating the weights, it's really time consuming. It will not find the global minimum for sure, and so if you want to make this process even a little bit better and time consuming to just make it a little bit faster to update the weights really fine, you can help your model by just standard scale. So this is also a really nice tip from my side to just do this, because this is really important as well to prepare a model. Afterwards you can also split the data within test, here in this case with 30% of test data And you can shuffle everything as well to make the model even training a little bit better for new data. And after pre-processing everything and this within this small steps here, as I showed today, afterwards you can go for the feature scaling or feature engineering here. Also as well a little bit data cleansing we done today as well, and then you can start building your model. This is the best advice. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you like the channel. Hit the subscribe button and see you soon.